What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'll show you how to hide eyebrows. What you need is glue stick, eyebrow brush, a loose powder, a dryer, an orangish concealer, and concealer. Step 1, I'm gonna wipe off oil off my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the tissue with alcohol. So I'm gonna wipe off like this. The second step, I'm gonna glue my eyebrows. After first layer, you're gonna brush your eyebrows like this. And you're gonna press with your finger. Alright, first layer is done. And I'm gonna put the second layer. Third layer. Alright, after the third layer, I'm gonna put loose powder. And I'm gonna use this orangish concealer on the eyebrows. And concealer again. Another loose powder. And take off all the excess powder. And I'm gonna put the same concealer on top. Okay, it's pretty much like this. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe as well. See you guys!